Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your Steam games download faster. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To potentially increase the download speed of your Steam games, you can try following these steps. So first, open a Steam client. Go to the Steam in the top left corner and choose to click Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Downloads tab. On the download region, choose a different server that is geographically closer to you or has less network congestion. Now click on Restore Now to save the changes. In the same Downloads tab of the Settings window, you can set a download limit. Limiting the bandwidth may help prioritize Steam traffic, especially if the other devices on your network are using the internet. In the Downloads tab, click on Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action, and Steam will restart. This can help resolve issues related to corrupted cache files. Close other applications that might be using your internet connections, as they can affect download speeds. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable and potentially faster connection. Now, ensure that your network settings are optimized for gaming. You can refer to your router's manual for guidance on optimizing settings for gaming. Downloading during off-peak hours may result in faster speeds, as there is less network congestion. In some cases, using a VPN can help by routing your connection through a different server. However, this might not always lead to improved speeds and can depend on various factors. Now keep in mind that download speeds can also be affected by your internet service provider, network congestion, and the overall demand on Steam servers. If you try these steps and still experiencing slow download speeds, it might be related to external factors beyond your control. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.